Hey beauties, what's poppin'? Welcome back to another video on my channel. So if you're new to my channel, I like doing one hand over here so you guys get the idea of what I'm working with. If you are new or if you continuously visiting my channel and you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. I'm not appreciating though, but I will remind y'all to always subscribe to my channel because I post very often over here. Not since of recent, but I do post often over here. And also follow me on my Instagram at BareBeauty Services. I do polls, I do yes or no's, so ensure that you follow me over there on Instagram. So today I'm back with another simple set. If you guys are interested in if you're interested in glitter nails, glitter French nails, and if you don't want to encapsulate no glitter, this is a set for you, sweetie. I'll be doing some champagne popping French nails with some drippy drip. You know how I have to rehearse all of this. Yes, but today this is what we're doing. So originally this video was supposed to be like an in-depth type of video on acrylic application, but it didn't turn out how I wanted it to turn out. So look out for that video where I talk in depth about acrylic application, how it works for me and what works for me. So look out for that video. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on that bell so you get notified each and every time I upload, because I upload twice a week every week and I don't have a designated time to post things, to ensure that your thing is turned on, sweetie. Okay. So now I'm going in with my dark nude from Q Touch. This is a local brand here in Jamaica. This is a 4-ounce container with my liquid. This liquid is from Glamour Nails, also a local business here in Jamaica. So I'm mixing it. It works. I'm mixing it. I mean, I've not yet tried the Q Touch acrylic liquid, but on the next purchase I think I might go ahead and do so. But because I love my Glamour Nails acrylic liquid, because once again it says it's a universal liquid, so it works with any acrylic. So now I'm taking a ball of acrylic, going over the stress point of the nail and working that down. How I operate is that I put the acrylic on the stress point and then work my way down, and then this I use like 4 beads to build this nail up to get it to the strongest point. So some of you might realize that I'm adding a bit more to the tip and wondering why. These nails are curved. I'm not so much into curved nails, but if I like a design that have a curve, I will do it. But in any instances, I really do not like doing curved nails, or I really don't like them on me. Let me just say that I don't like seeing curved nails on myself. I don't know. I don't think it's attractive on my fingers. I don't know why, but yes. So to eliminate that curve on that nail, I am going to build up the tip of the nail so I can remove the curve on the nail. Hence why I wanted to go in depth with talking about all of this, but it didn't work out. So look out for another video where I talk much on it. So yeah, I won't be talking heavily throughout this video. I just wanted to come in here and say hi. How are y'all doing? I hope you guys are doing fine. I hope my videos are entertaining enough for you guys to sit and watch through. And also I want to say thank you guys to who have subscribed to my channel very recently. I really do appreciate it. And the persons who have been here through this, sweetie, thank you so very much. I appreciate it all. And guys, don't forget to follow me on Instagram, subscribe to the channel, tap the bell, comment down below if you like this set, if you think you're able to rock this set, or comment down below if you want me to go in depth about acrylic application and what works for you, or what may work for me might work for you, or I try to break it down. As I said before, I am not your typical educator when it comes on to acrylic application, but I know a tip here and there, and if you guys want to know how, I will spill the beans, spill the tea, y'all. So yes, so I am doing the regular, ensuring that all nails are to what I like, and then I will file buff shape. Then I went in with champagne popping from a local brand owner here in Jamaica with her gel polish, and I did that, and it was quite easy, simple, nothing to elaborate where I can complete a task. Also, I'm planning on getting a few things from Amazon. I have been like procrastinating on purchasing these stuff. This stuff has been in my basket for a hot minute right now, so I kind of need to purchase them and do a little review and start getting back to, you know, me. Also, the reason why I'm not posting a lot of videos is that I am running out of, you know, stuff, and I need to go back and refill. I haven't found the time to go and buy back the stuff. So yeah, so videos are coming, so ensure that you're subscribed, as I said. And also I want to point out that this color here is like a rose gold. I don't know why it was coming out on camera like this. I was trying to edit it in such a way that you guys can see that rosy nice, you know, gold pink, but it wasn't happening. I don't know why, but these are rose gold French tip nails with some drippy drip. So yes, I hope you guys do enjoy. If you do enjoy, once again, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, tap the bell beside that subscribe button so you get notified each and every time I upload, because I upload twice a week. The weekend, you know what I miss out. Trust and believe me, you know what I miss out, because there's more interesting videos coming here on this channel. See you, subscribe, tap the bell. Yes, and I'll see you guys in the next video.
I give in to the lesser fight. My body aches to be satisfied. My weakness comes and goes. My weakness comes and goes. I'm reaching out for the easy high. Please fortify this strength of mine. My weakness comes and goes. My weakness comes and goes. My body aches to be satisfied. My weakness comes and goes. My weakness comes and goes. I'm reaching out for the easy high. Please fortify this strength of mine. My weakness comes and Weakness comes and goes, it goes, it goes. My weakness echoes in my soul. Oh, it echoes in my soul. My weakness comes and goes.